Hey guys, Tom here from HID Projectors. This is the Stage 4 video for the Nissan Xterra. This is going to be an in-depth review of everything we've got going on. This particular Stage 4, we selected the color-changing Angel Eyes and the color-changing Devil Eyes. So I've got the Devil Eyes set to red right now. I've got the Angel Eyes set to blue. Here we go. I'm using the app, and now I can set the Angel Eyes to red or to this maybe purple color or green. And this one has a ton of different features. It's all going to be on an app here where you can go in and select all the different options. You can have it do what I'm doing right now, which is jumping to different colors. I can have it fade in and out of colors. Of course, I can go back and have it set to one single color. And then when I turn the vehicle off and turn it back on, it's going to remember the last setting that I had it on. So I'll turn those off now. We'll do the same thing for the Devil Eyes. Devil Eyes here are set to red. Again, you can set them to any color you want using the same app. Just went out and went back into a different feature. Blue, purple, same kind of built-in mode. So I'll go to another, let's just do another mode here where it will just kind of fade in and out of all sorts of different colors with different speeds and different intensities. Again, I can come back out of this one. I can turn it back on. I can turn it back off. I'll turn those Angel Eyes back on. If you remember, we left them on that green kind of color. We're back and they're back on green. And now I'll switch them back to red. So now I'm going to take over and we're going to focus on what makes the Stage 4 most unique, and that's these switchback halos here. They're set to white daytime running lights, and they will switch back and forth to turn signals. So what that means is there's also built-in amber on these lights. I'm going to use my bench here and kind of show you guys what this would look like. Let's say, for example, I was making a turn, or if I had my hazards on in this case. So blink, 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 done making the turn. It's going to switch back to white. You can also set these to be amber all the time, which I'm doing here on the bench, just to show you guys what that looks like if you prefer to run around with amber. So maybe you come in and you have your Angel Eyes set to, let's just try to pick a similar color of that amber. If I can just use I'm using the cutoff wheel now to just move my thumb around and figure out a color that looks like it's going to be a close match. Let me zoom back out so you guys can see that. And there you go. So have a close match to amber. I can even probably get that closer. Maybe that's even closer. And I could turn the Devil Eyes off so you see what that looks like as well. And now you've got, maybe this is how you drive around during the day, or maybe you want to have these be more of a white daytime running light. You can do all of these things within the app just by playing around with the RGB values and playing around with the color wheel here. I'm just trying to dial this in while we're talking. And there you have it, some kind of a whitish kind of look along with the amber Devil Eyes now, or amber halos. Now I can remove that and they're going to switch back to white. So there you go. So now I've got everything kind of turned off here so you can see what the lights look like with it all turned off. Nice blacked out set of headlights. And if I turn these back on, we'll just turn these guys on and give us some contrast. So this is what it's going to look like when you're just set up this way. Again, all this is modular and your high beam and low beam is plug and play. So let's start with the projectors here. All black housings. We got our fancy bio-LED projectors in here. These are designed and developed by us right here at HID Projectors. And they have the color changing Angel Eyes front and rear on the monster shrouds. So what's the takeaway here at the Stage 4? It's a lot of aesthetic things going around. You have a beautiful set of headlights. It's going to perform phenomenally. The performance is the same regardless of which stage you choose. With the Stage 4, you get all of these extra features and functionality. I'll go ahead and turn some of the stuff back on now so you can see. So aesthetic-wise, you have the ability to be custom. You have the ability, if you choose color changing like this, to dial in the exact colors that you want, to dial in that cool personality. Maybe the Devil Eye is purple in this case, and the halos have like a slight teal color to them. If that's your theme, that's what this one allows you to do. It really allows you to take your ride to that next level. So if you want to do something like this, or maybe you want to stagger the way these look, maybe the front Angel Eye is switchback and the rear Angel Eye is color changing, or you want just a single color Devil Eye or none at all. Cool thing about our company here and what we do is we've been so close with the Xterra community. I've owned a handful of Xterras myself. Is we allow you to pick and choose and design the lights so they fit your ride's unique personality without sacrificing performance. So that's super important. I know you guys a lot of folks out there are aware of lesser, maybe cheaper options online. I'm trying to not say what I want to say, but what you're sacrificing for $200 is you're sacrificing the customization, you're sacrificing the output, you're sacrificing your safety. These are not inexpensive lights, guys. These are expensive lights, hand built right here in Buffalo, New York, by Xterra people for Xterra people, so you get exactly what you want. And if that sounds like something that makes sense to you, give us a call and let's do something really cool for your ride. You can reach us at 716-662-3479, or you can email us at sales@HIDprojectors.com, and we can customize these. I mean, up, left, right, up, down, however you'd want, so you get something super cool for your ride. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.